Just another random vlog with random clips for your enjoyment. So keep on watching and you'll see vlogs on your screen. I'm not making sense, but that's okay. You can watch me anyway. Pop Tarts. I get them at the Pop Mart. I throw them in my Pop cart. It feels good in the Pop heart. It really makes me pop smart. Sometimes it makes me pop fart. This is my favorite pop part. I'm out. What you're going to see in the following clip is back between September and around November of 2017. My oldest daughter was having a lot of heart issues and was getting sick a lot, so she missed a lot of school and I had to take her to quite a few appointments. But what ended up happening was one day I heard her stomping around upstairs and she claimed that she wasn't feeling good, and I snuck up to see what the heck she was doing, because she kept claiming that she was just walking around and that she accidentally dropped something. But she likes to dance in her room and she was dancing around like crazy, and she tried to claim that she wasn't, but it's really hard to hear me in the following clip because I was whispering so she wouldn't hear me. So that is what you are about to see. Okay, I'm going upstairs because Jana keeps complaining about her arm hurting, and I'm taking her to the doctor tomorrow. But when we're downstairs on the couch, I can hear her jumping around. She keeps claiming every time I'm not jumping around, I drop something. Well, I'm gonna see if I can catch her jumping around. She didn't even want to go to school this morning because
You're not jumping around, huh? I can hear you jumping around. Don't even act like you're not. Why are you looking at me with such a shocked face on your face? Are you jumping around? No. Jenna, I was walking. You say you're walking and dancing, but give me a break. That's how you walk in the room? Jenna, were you dancing around? I was moving my feet, that's all. Moving your feet. Oh, your arm all of a sudden doesn't hurt? It's been hurting. I can't do anything. Jenna, you say that you like... I'm in pain, but what am I supposed to do? I'm not jumping around now? So jumping around is going to make it even worse. Is that what you want? No. What's wrong with you just sitting down listening to music or reading a book? Because I'm bored, okay? Then go do something. Draw. Watch a movie. I've done all that. Okay, and jumping around? You always say, I dropped something. I'm not. I'm just walking. That is not just walking, Jenna. That's why you keep the door shut. I should just take this whole door off. See, people who make that face are guilty of doing something. Because if you were being honest, you wouldn't make that face. Annoying. Over and out.
look at these birds eating the leftover spaghetti from last night. What are you squawking about? What you squawking about? You want spaghetti? You want spaghetti? What? 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 Go ahead, eat up. Eat up. Eat up. Oh my gosh, what is your deal? Oh, are you trying to call everybody for dinner? Is that what you're doing? Look. Is that what you're doing? You're trying to call everybody for dinner? Or lunch? Lunch is over. Well, everybody, that was today's vlog. I have no idea what I'm going to put together. I'm just going to kind of put random clips together, so if it doesn't make any sense, oh well. David Dobrik's vlogs don't ever make any sense. He puts everything together in 4 minutes and 20 seconds, and you never know what you're going to get, so that goes for anybody. You never know what you're going to get. Hope you enjoyed anyways. Have a good day. We'll see you in the funny pages. Peace!